Hi everyone, so it's been a pretty rainy and rubbish day, so I thought I would share a kind of rainy day project I've been doing, and this is management of electronics components. So I've come up with an inventory management system for them, and it's basically these barcoded bins, even though I don't have a barcode scanner, but never mind. So it's organised as such. In this case, we've take a bin number A1C5. So A just means the zone that you're in. So this whole room will just be zone A, and say I put more of these bins up, I don't know, in the kitchen cupboard or something, that would like maybe be zone B if it was the second zone I created. 1 just refers to the sort of racking unit itself. So this is number 1, this is number 2. So you've got A1, A2. The letter refers to the row. It's sort of an Amazon style system really. So A, B, C, D, it just goes up to J on these ones, which sadly have been discontinued. These were made by McAllister, and I got them out of Screwfix over a period of a couple of years. I just bought them as I needed them, but you cannot get these anymore, which is pretty disappointing. So I've resorted to these cheaper ones which you can buy online, and also got these ones out of Lidl, the Parkside branded ones, and they're still, if you put enough screws in it, it's really solid. It's good enough. I've actually came up with a similar system at my work, because all their electronics components in one of the departments were just dumped in boxes. We didn't really have a system to organise them very well, so I organised them all in a system just like this. And everyone, well, I've got a few people using a spreadsheet to find components rather than just buying them in again when we've already got them. And the system I had at work was, it would still have section A, but it's just A-01-01, which would just basically mean the bin up at the top right hand corner, and the number would just continue. The row number would just continue, so the rows or individual bin number would just keep on going across every single unit, rather than being split up into separate ones, rather than 1 and 2. It just stay as sort of just like A1 all the way along to 99 or whatever, and there was no letters. It was just all numbered, so that I could expand it above 24 rows. This is a spreadsheet I came up with for it. So it's based on a table, and you can just like sort things by category, or any one of these options up here. So if I just wanted to see all the coil formers I have, I'll just do this, and you'll get them all coming up with their images as well. So that's one thing that's good about this. You can get all the images, and then at the bottom you've just got a mishmash of all the images there for some odd reason, because obviously Excel is not an official release. It's still just a sort of pre-beta. It's not had all the problems ironed out yet, clearly. And we've also got the categories, so you can add categories to this and then just sort the categories by alphabetical order. And I've uploaded this to GitHub. So here's my GitHub here, and eventually there will be more stuff going on here. Probably when it comes to me releasing guides on how to do things, I'll just create a sort of instruction guide as well, which could be uploaded here. But the blank inventory management spreadsheet has been uploaded, so you can view that and let me know if it works. I've never used GitHub before, so hopefully it's going to work for you.